So now we will start to do exercise 1.1. So the first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in a form of P upon Q where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0? So is 0 a rational number? C. We can write 0 as a 0 by 1. Definitely we can write it because 0 by 1 is also equal to 0. So we can say yes, 0 is a rational number. Why? Because we can write 0 as a 0 by 1 where q is not equal to 0, and this is a form of p by q. So definitely we can write it in a form of p by q. So the second question is 5 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So we have two methods to find out rational number between these two numbers. So the first method is just find out the average of the number. So first number will be definitely the average of the number. This is 7 by 2. Okay, so it will be 3.5. So 3.5 is the first rational number, and the second rational number you will find out like the rational number between 7 by 2 and 4, and the third number rational bit will be that number, the resultant number and the 4 one. So this is the process, but it is so lengthy, so we have another process and another method we can find. From the another method we can find out the sixth rational number. That is simply you have to find out six rational number, right? So like n is equal to 6, but we will find out 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now we can write 3 as a 3 by 1 and 4 as a 4 by 1, no doubt. Multiply 3 by 7. So multiply numerator and denominator by the same number in the both question. So 3 by 7, 3 into 7 by 1 into 7, and 4 by 7 upon 1 into 7. So this will be, wait, I'm rubbing this one. I'm rubbing this one. Just wait. Yeah. So it will be 21 by 7, and this number will be 28 by 7. So there is 6 number between these two rational number, that is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. So these are 6 rational number, and always remember that if you find out uh, n rational number, then you have to multiply denominator and numerator with n plus 1 number, with n plus 1 number, right? If n is 6, so you have to multiply numerator denominator n plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 7. So now the next question is find the 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Definitely we will do the same. The number is 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, and we have to find out the 5 rational number between them. So as I told you earlier that if you have to find out a 5 rational number, that means the value of n is 5, and we have to multiply numerator and denominator with n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 6. So multiply by 6 from denominator and numerator, it will be 18 by 30, and the second one is 24 by 30. Now, how many numbers are there between 18 to 24? Definitely there is 5 rational number, that is 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So these are the 5 rational numbers. Now, this was exercise 1.1 that we have already done. Right now it is true and false. Every natural number is whole number. In the previous session we have discussed a lot about the rational number, natural number, whole number, integer, and I show you a diagram that was natural number and natural number plus o, sorry, natural number plus 0, it is whole number. So definitely every natural number, see, every natural number is whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. So definitely first will be true. The second one is every integer is a whole number. Every integer, uh, the what is a whole number? Now, what is whole number? We know that from the definition of whole number, all the natural number included 0 is natural number. Sorry, whole number, right? So integers are not natural number. We cannot say that integer. What is integer? All the positive and negative number, combination of positive and negative number, it is integer. So every integer is not a whole number, because their negative number should be there in integer, so it is not a whole number, so definitely it will be false. And the third one is every rational number is whole number. Every rational number is whole number. What do you mean by rational number? Rational is the word rational is made up by the word ratio. That is any number that can be form of p by q, it is a rational number. Definitely, no doubt, all whole number is a rational number, but not every rational number is whole number. Why? Because if we talk about 3 by 2, yes, no doubt this is a rational number, but this is not a whole number, right? So it will be false. So it was your first exercise, and in the upcoming session we will solve exercise 1.2. Thank you.